We'll need a rigged model with correct bone names as a reference. Let's duplicate the rig with Shift+D and place it at the center where our model is. Let's go into edit mode of the armature and make some adjustments. Let's choose two faces opposite of each other. Shift+S cursor to selection, place the cursor in the middle of the two. We'll go into edit mode and choose the bone, then Shift+S selection to the cursor. This will move the bone to the cursor. I'll repeat this process for other bones. Let's parent the object to the armature with Ctrl+P. We have two automatic paint or hand paint with empty groups. Automatic paint isn't always correct. Let's try hand paint with empty groups. If you choose the armature before the model, you can go to weight paint mode. For hand paint, we'll need another blend file for reference. Since we use the same armature for both, they have the same vertex groups. Vertex groups are faces named after the bone that controls them. We'll start from the top and go to the bottom. Now we need to copy the weights. You can use the eyedropper to pick up weights. Let's start with blue, which is 0.2. Let's paint the area. Sometimes I use subtract brush to erase weights. Once we're done, we'll move to red, which is around 0.8. Blender will fill the in-between with yellow and green. I use the smear tool to make adjustments. We'll repeat the process for all vertex groups. The bones on the left and right should have .r and .l suffixes. If the bones are named correctly, you'll only paint one side and the other side will be mirrored. We can add extra objects to the rig with Ctrl+P empty groups. This should be controlled by the head, so we'll assign it to the head vertex group. For clothes, we'll use transfer mesh data for all layers. Now if I parent the clothes with the empty group, the clothes will move with the body. You'll be in pose mode for posing. Let's export our model and test it in Cascadeur.